Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at thetechtrader.com. It's Tuesday, the 16th of June, and these are the charts of the day. Well, folks, I'm going to show you some longs and a few shorts that we've issued today. But Ampg, look at this explosive move it's had in the last couple of weeks, taking it from literally under $2 at about $1.64. Yesterday's high was $9.30. Today was kind of an inside day, but a bullish one. If momentum continues, you could see 11.12. You might see 14.50. ARQQ coming out of a base pattern today with explosive volume. I like the look of this. There's a little bit of resistance overhead at about 22. That's my first target. Then I'm looking at 25. BWEN, one of our swing trades, popped out of the wedge today. Actually made a higher high over the 490 area, reaching 5, finishing at 480. That's the highest close going back on this one since 2023. So a 3-year high. I'm expecting this to make a move up towards 5 3/4, 6 1/4 range, up in that zone. FCEL, after coming down following a nice surge, it tested support and moving average, and today snapped back 230 to 13%. There is some resistance just overhead here at about the 21 range. We get through that, we're looking at 24 and 28. OSS spiked, reached a prior high and backed off. The entire move took it from 1690 to 2071. Finished way back at 1834, but still up 111. And I do think that the extension on this basically is probably going to accelerate into the mid-20s. RRGB, that's Red Robin Gourmet Burgers. The down channel broken here. Pull back, inverse head and shoulder type pattern. Break through the neckline today with a big thrust in volume. Not so much volume, but a big thrust in price. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-way move. But I think momentum might carry this to 7 1/2, 3/4 next. RXT broke out of a wedge today, exploded, then backed off from the prior high. But today's high is the key level over 788. I'm looking for a move towards 10 and 12. Watt popped and maybe about to break out of this coil that's taken about 6 weeks to develop. After a huge run, and saw it go from literally from 364 to 36 and change, a 10-fold move in 4 months. It's expected the stock would do some consolidating. But it appears that the key is going to be getting through 31, 32 zone. If we do that, we could see high 30s and above. And finally, on the long side, Wi-Fi with a big explosive move the last 4 days. I've seen it go from 22 and change to today's high of 37.5. Finished at 36.41, and that was up 643. And so you can see why I have this on today's charts of the day. It looks like a really terrific chart. And look, if it does take out the October high, it can run even higher than that. This stock is on fire. Now we'll switch to the short side. Put out 3 shorts today. CELC, which got crushed about 2 weeks ago and has formed a bear wedge. Terrible technicals. I fully expect this to break down and get down eventually into the high 60s. LAXS, long uptrend, a little bit of a head and shoulder top, a breakdown, and now a bear flag formed. Although it was up today due to a contract, I think it fails and rolls over. It gets down around the 270 range eventually. And finally today, FIVE, head and shoulder top, breakdown, snapback, failure, and rollover. And should this take out 184, I'm looking for this to get to 169.70 and maybe as low as 150 eventually. Let's look at some of the hot stocks long and short at thetechtrader.com. Good night, everybody.